Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says solve this equals to this. So, look at this. There is something is in the power. There is something is in the power. So, what I will do, I will take log on both sides. So, whenever you have problem with the power, you should think about log. Okay. So, if we will take log on both sides, we will be left with log mod x minus 1 to the power log x base 10. Acha, the base of the log should be 10 because in this question they are using log whose base is 10 minus log x square base 10 equals to log base 10 mod x minus 1 power 3. Now, you know that this is the power of argument, so we'll come at coefficient. So, can I write down this thing as log x base 10 whole square minus log x square base 10 log mod x minus 1 base 10, and this thing will become 3 times because here the power of argument I am taking at coefficient. Okay, here also I am applying the same property x minus 1 base 10. Is that okay? Now what I will do, I will take everything one side. So this thing is in the plus that side. So if it will come this side, it will become minus. Okay. Now I will take this part common. So we have log mod x minus 1 base 10, and then we have log x base 10 whole square minus 2 log x base 10 minus 3. So you have to simplify this part as well. So 3, so can I write down? For time being, I will take log x base 10 to be y. Okay, look at this. So it is log x minus 1 base 10, and here we have y square minus 3y plus y minus 3. Let's keep on simplifying. Log mod x minus 1 base 10, and then y minus 3 y plus 1 equals to 0. Now either this thing is 0, this thing is 0, or this thing is 0. So we will keep on trying case 1. So log mod x minus 1 base 10 equals to 0, or y equals to 3. Who is y? Log x base 10. So log x base 10 equals to 3. Then, or y equals minus 1. Who is y? Log x base 10 equals to minus 1. Now, you know that log a to the base b is a number. So when we will raise this number on the base now, we'll get a. So x minus 1. So it is 1. You know that if you will remove mod, you will have plus minus. So x minus 1 equals to 1 or minus 1. So x equals to 2, 0. So you got this many solution from part A. Then x equals to 10 power 3. You got one more solution. Then we got x equals to 10 power minus 1, means 1 by 10. Now we have to check, can I take base to be 2, base to x to be 2? Yes, we can take. X to be 0? No. If you'll take x to be 0, log will become undefined. So the solution will become required x will become 2, 10 power 3, and 1 by 10. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.